Artlist.io.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today I'm coming to you loud from Mombasa and nimeshuka hapa stage hapa ferry. I'm gonna be taking you to Likoni. So guys, hope you enjoy today's episode till the very end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. So tumeshuka hapa, we're gonna go and cross the ferry, and in case you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe as well. So let me show you how this place looks like, then we'll be heading straight to cross the ferry the other side. Where are you watching the video from? You know, your girl never fails you. Let's do this. This tumeshuka hapa stage ya ferry, and we're gonna go ahead and cross the ferry. So let me get to know where you are watching the video from. Yeah, it's around 11 a.m. and the weather looks gloomy. It looks gloomy. It seems like it will rain, but even yesterday it was like that, but it didn't rain. So I'm just extra vigilant. I'm hoping that my phone is not gonna be snatched, but yeah. So let's get to check. So hii ni soko ya hapa nini? Hapa ferry, and yeah, a lot is happening. Some businesses going on. Yeah. So in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think. The bananas are banana ring. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. I'm so excited and I have the energy. The vibe is vibing. See, you know your girl. So yeah, let's check how the real streets hapa tu ni Likoni. We just want to cross the other side and check how it looks like. And where are you watching the video from? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. Let's cross this other side so we can also get the other view of this side. Yeah. So in case you're new here, feel at home. In case you're returning, thank you so very much for coming back. Yeah. So this is how it looks like, and I'm kind of freaking, but hope I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Hope I'm gonna make it. And let me get to know where you're watching the video from, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe as well. Yeah. So businesses is happening as usual. It's around 11 a.m. Yeah, and businesses is happening. So let's just go. We need to cross the other side. Yeah. So last time I was told I'm not supposed to. Yeah. So let's continue checking how the real streets looks like. Kuna Naivas, Likoni Mall, that side, but me, let's take this other side. Yeah. And I'm so excited today. I have the energy. I am so super excited. Yeah. I'm so excited as well. Are you excited? Yeah. So yeah, kama unataka dera. Yeah. So let's just go straight. We're gonna be crossing the ferry. I'm so excited. So let me get to know what you think about today's video. Are you excited as I am? Huh? Are you excited as I am? Let me get to know in the comment section whether you are excited. But I'm very much super excited. So we're gonna be going inside the ferry. But first of all, let's hope I'm not shaking too much. But anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. So ndani ya ferry will not be allowed to vlog. I think so. Last time I tried nikaambiwa we zima hiyo camera. Yeah. So let's do this. Yeah. A lot of businesses are happening here. Businesses happening. Yeah, these are some of the street foods you'll find here in Mombasa. Yeah. Businesses happening as usual. So just make sure you hit the subscribe button, not just watch and go. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. So much is happening. Wale watu wa kusema watu wa Mombasa ni wavivu wako wapi? A lot of businesses is happening over here. Yeah. So we are just a few minutes kuingia kwa ferry. Yeah. Then I'll be showing you how Likoni looks like. I'm so excited. I'm very much super excited. Where are you watching the video from? And make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think. We are just navigating. So I think I need to put my camera off before we enter. This is the entrance. I think I need to put my camera. So guys, as you can see, we are now entering the ferry. We have finished the security check. You know, right now, nowadays security is very tight. We've just finished. We are now entering the ferry. Continue watching the video till the end.
Umakini wa mifuko na vibeti hapa. Hapo. Umakini wa mifuko yako, dada nao kibeti chako chunga sana maeneo haya. Hiyo sema ngazi ya kwanza kama kuwa makini. Naambia ni makini. Kuwa makini maeneo haya. Unapovuka maeneo haya, wewe mnaandamana na watu ambao wanajua kazi. Wako huko ndani yenu. Na mko nao pamoja. Habari ndio. Unapovuka hivi sasa ndani ya banda, ndani ya ferry unavuka na watu ambao wanajua kazi. Maliza kazi gani? Ya kutafuta vitu ambavyo wewe uko navyo wewe tu. Na unapofika kazi ya mwisho utashangaa huna vitu vyako wewe. Pochi lako, simu yako inaweza katoweka hapa. Hapa maeneo ya ngazi hapa. Hata si mahali parefu pafupi sana. Kuanzia kazi ya kwanza mpaka kazi ya mwisho hapa. Wanatosheka kufanywa maneno hapa. Na wananiangalia wengine wako hapa. Si hao au
so much for watching today's episode and stay tuned for the first Likoni series. Hii nayo itakuwa movie. Just turn on the bell. The next video will be Likoni series. Thank you so much for watching once more, and kindly please do subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. Kaboom!